Alright, here we are with my cousin slash brother, Dustin. He has a little buggy. And we want to show you something really cool. Okay, that was just horrible. Okay, there's a thing that we invented. It's the wheelie. With this. That's funny. It's funny.
Goodbye.
You can't even do it. Let's strap it to the buggy. Let's strap my phone to the buggy. Yeah, hey. Dude, let's strap my phone to the buggy. Stop the buggy for a minute. I can't imagine this is gonna work. You think it'll work like that? We need some way to hold it up like that. Oh yeah, that'll work. And
No, what?
No.
Maybe this?
No, it'll fall off. That'll probably work. I think that'll probably work.
We'll decide.
Yeah.
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Well, we got the undercarriage of it.
Okay, now watch this. No, stay right here, Derek.
Okay, cool. Oh crap. Get the buggy out of the road. I'm gonna get you.
I got an idea.
What's your idea?
We could put it in the car.
How can we do that? I just got a big phone sticking out of its butt. Well, how is this a good idea? How is that a good idea? I have no idea how that's a good idea. You're just gonna see the undercarriage in the front. Oh, dude, you know, this might work better on your waterproof.
Oh!
Oh!
Where's my phone?
I don't know.
Oops.
It's fine. When she comes back from taking it. But she's gonna be at school tonight, so. Better get out of there.
Is that her? Alright.
Alright, we're ready to go.
Dang it!
Dude, do you think this video's gonna be like an hour long?
Maybe.
Maybe. This is all about bloopers. You know what bloopers even are?
Yeah, fails.
Fail! There's a lot of bloopers in this video. Here, let me see the phone. I'm gonna get the shot. I'm gonna get the shot of it coming towards the phone.
Look at my stinky feet.
I can't even see your stinking feet.
Can you see it?
I'm actually zooming in. I can see it. Action! I felt it coming through me and I was like, oh dang it! Don't break my phone! There it is. It just hit a wall. Ow! There it goes. There it is. Did you guys see it?
Dead.
Oh, I got it. It's not dead. Blooper. This video is already 5 hours long.
Bye.
Alright guys, me, Dustin,
I'm out of here.
peace.